Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Connecting your Fastrack smartwatch is simple and takes just a few moments. This updated guide for 2025 will walk you through each step seamlessly, ensuring a smooth experience. We'll cover everything from preparation to your first sync, so you can quickly unlock all the smart features your watch has to offer. Get ready to enjoy your new device. Before you begin, ensure your Fastrack watch is fully charged and powered on. This simple step prevents interruptions during the pairing process. Next, download the official Fastrack Reflex World app from your phone's app store. It's crucial for connection. Finally, keep your phone's Bluetooth enabled and positioned close to your smartwatch, ready for the next step. Now, open the Fastrack Reflex World app and tap Add Device to start the pairing process. Your phone will then automatically scan for nearby Fastrack smartwatches using Bluetooth technology. Once your specific watch model appears on the list, simply select it to initiate the connection. A confirmation prompt may appear on both your phone and watch. After pairing, grant all necessary app permissions, including location and notification access, for your watch's full functionality. Next, input your personal details, such as age and height, which ensures accurate health tracking and activity metrics. Finally, allow your watch and phone to synchronize data for the first time. This initial sync sets up your personalized experience. If you encounter any connection issues, don't worry, a quick restart of both your Fastrack watch and phone often resolves them. Always keep the Fastrack Reflex World app updated to its latest version for optimal performance and new features. Also, ensure no other devices are actively connected to your phone's Bluetooth, as this can interfere with pairing. Enjoy your connected Fastrack smartwatch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.